Hi guys, today we're going to be doing the unboxing video of a
PureWash Pro.
Actually it's called PureWash Pro, a smart way to do laundry. And then it's going to take about 15 minutes to install. And basically what this does is ionize your water, and then you barely have to use any laundry detergent. This is some kind of spec here. It allows you to use it for household cleaning because they have 3-port, and you're only using a cold water valve on this, so you don't have to use any of your hot water valves. So it's very energy efficient.
And this machine can wash these dirty clothes and show them clean really easily.
So as you can see, the only thing you have to do is stain. You always have to spot treat the stain. And then here it is. These are the benefits: save money, use little to no detergent, kill bacteria, virus, mold, and then illuminating the smell for your washing machine. So without talking so much, now let's open this up and see what we have inside.
Okay, so let's open it up. So you open this out here. So this is like almost like a small menu. It says thank you for
purchase. From this green tech here. See?
Okay, so like this is a small piece that you see. Screws.
And then here is the mounting bracket.
And here's the battery.
The electricity pack. And
let's take the caps.
Okay.
And this is a menu, another menu of it.
Menu. And then here is the hose that comes with.
And then let's open this up. Well, I have to tell you that this can, if this falls, it can break easily sometimes.
So this PureWash unit comes like this. It comes with already a filtered in store. So we gotta remove this thing. So remove the tab before you start using it. And it's very important. One thing is, in the back of the unit, there's a setting for top low washer. You see a little white dot here? And this is the front low washer. This is the setting must be set. All you gotta do is set this one time, and then you're good to go. So this is your incoming cold water. This is to the washing machine, and then this is to the household product that you're gonna use to clean.
And you see here that you have to put these.
So this is the additional on and off shut-off valve that you normally use this on the household item port. You know, I've seen this in many of the customers' home that I went to, and they say this works like a charm. So I'm gonna start installing this right now. As you can see, all you gotta do is hook up some hoses in this 2 spot, and that's all. So anybody can do that. And then you could actually, you know, mount this into the wall, and then you can hook the machine up. So I'm gonna let you guys how it goes after I install this unit, and after I use it on my front load washer, and we'll let you know what's the benefit of this here. And thanks for watching.